if you've been accused of a crime in the military, really no different than the civilian world, you need to start acting right away. And by acting, you need to start taking steps to ensure your freedom and to ensure that you don't go down with the ship, so to speak. You have an entire military apparatus. That's going to be CID, NCIS, law enforcement in general. They're going to have all of the resources, really unlimited resources, to try to put you in prison and to build a case against you. And really, there's no one on your side building your case of innocence or your case that, hey, I didn't do this. And trust me, in modern society today, people are falsely accused all of the time. And so whether you actually did what you're accused of, if you've been falsely accused, you really need to act now to ensure that any evidence of your innocence is preserved, that you don't start making the wrong choices, start cooperating with law enforcement in ways that can hurt you down the road, falling into, I won't say traps, but techniques they have to try to get you to make admissions. So if you found yourself accused of a crime, in particular in the military, it is critical that you act immediately. And that's either hiring a civilian attorney, that can be going to the TDS office, the Trial Defense Service, or the Free Military Attorney. But you need to take some action almost immediately before things get worse. Because the reality is, if you're under the crosshairs of the military, this isn't going away. A lot of people believe that they've been accused of sexual assault or they've been accused of fraud. And if they do nothing, maybe the case will just go away. But the reality is these cases don't go away, and they usually only get worse. You need someone that's really going to advocate for your interest and ensure that you don't be at the wrong end of this a year later, a year and a half later, where you're found guilty and you wind up in prison.